Hey JJ, so I just want to show you how to update your banners. Looks like you figured out how to update them, how to change them, but let's go ahead and start talking about how to add them. Let's go ahead and go into the area in which we edit it, call it the slider widget. Pull this open. I just find this easier because it doesn't wrap as much. Okay, so this guy here is a photo bucket one that you changed. Let's go ahead and talk about adding them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 line items. Line items are basically like those bulleted point lists that you see on the web. That's how this slider widget, or how the slider animation is pulling in these images, and then it tells it to like move them to the side. So you want to copy everything from this line item to this end line item. This is the whole thing between these line items. Go to the very end one, paste it in. This is where we change everything. Let's go ahead and make this link HTTP Facebook, how about? Or let's grab a site page. Let's go Pokemon. Say we want to go to exactly, yep, what am I doing? Exactly this page. Copy that URL. Where did the HTML guy go? Right there. Let's put this in the link, the href, and come back here. Let's pretend this is banner, well, your photo bucket. You know how to do that part. Okay, so in addition to this, we also need to add a bullet. This is why I wanted to show you with a video how to do this. I'm all thumbs today. Where are we open? Okay, let's go back to your site. I'll show you what I mean by the bullets. So look down here. We've got 4 bullets, 4 sliders. 1, oops, wow, that was fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's just say that we save this without making an update to the bullets. I'll show you what happens. Save page. We would get that additional slider, but we wouldn't get the bullet. We want the bullet. There's that additional slider. And then we'll go back to number 1. So in order to get an additional bullet there, let's go ahead, edit this widget again. Open up the HTML editor. I will show you where the bullets are. In this div, class equals WS bullets. Div basically means this block of information here. We have some more links. So this is a href #. Don't concern yourself with where the link is going. You mostly need to concern yourself with the numbers here, the 1, 2, 3. Now in reality, these bullets are actually in groups of 3. These 3, 1, 2, 3 bullets here, that's one image. And when you add more, you have to add it by groups of 3. So what I mean by that is that this is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3, this is number 1. So in order to add another one, we need to add a number 2. And let's get that HTML editor back. Sometimes it gets away from you. So let's go ahead. I like to kind of organize it like this, stack it. It won't stay. It's going to go ahead and just, make it all in line again each time that you save it. But as you can see here, banner number 1 is 1 bullet. Banner number 2 is 2 bullet. Banner number 3 is 3 bullet. Banner number 4 is 1 bullet. So now we need to go on to 2. Let's go ahead and just copy paste this, paste it at the bottom. Now we have banner number 2 bullet for banner number 5. And if you don't set this, it's not going to break it. but you just kind of keep it clear in your head that this is in fact the 5th banner, not the 2nd. It's the 5th banner, but the 2nd bullet. Just repeating the 2nd bullet. Update. Save page. Let's go ahead, go back and refresh. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bullets. That takes us to that same banner. So we have this banner and that banner. And we can keep on going. Let's do one more. HTML. Make it wider so we see what's going on. Let's go ahead and repeat that first. Let's go ahead and do the second one. Line item to end line item. Copy. Come to the very last. You know you're at the very last when it's N unordered list. NUL. Paste that in. Make another bullet. Banner number 5. We need to grab it from the A to the end A. / kind of means end. Let's call this number 6. But it is bullet number 3 in the image. Let's update, save page, go back, refresh. We now have 6 bullets down here. Let's go ahead and click on that bullet. It takes us to that banner that we added at the very bottom or the very last. And that's about it as far as how to add banners on. I'm going to go ahead and go back in and set it back to where it was before I started working on it. Make it bigger. Let's get rid of this bullet. Let's get rid of this bullet. And we need to get rid of 2 line items. Here's 1. Here is 2. 2 line items. Update. Save page. Refresh. We're back to 4. And it is working. Alright, so let me know if you have any questions about that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and back it up at this point. Just make a backup copy of the code. Another thing I want to point out here on this image, one that you made, these shadows here, there's actually a layer that you can get to that's called shadows, and it's the different shadows that I made for the different sorts of characters. So the shadows that you're using with this guy really should be the same shadow as this girl, but you're using the shadows for the Pokemon people. Not a big deal. I don't know if you want to fix it, but just wanted to let you know that was in there. Anyhow, yeah, let me know how this goes. Thanks. Have a good day.